Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Like you're busy all day but get nothing done? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful technique that can completely transform your productivity and give you back control of your day. It's called time blocking, and I promise it's a game changer. So grab a notebook or open your favorite calendar app, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to structure your day for success. So what exactly is time blocking? Put simply, it's the practice of scheduling out every part of your day. Instead of working from a long, messy to-do list, you assign specific blocks of time in your calendar for specific tasks. This means everything, from answering emails and working on a big project, to eating lunch and even taking a break to scroll through social media. You're not just deciding what to do. You're deciding when and for how long you're going to do it. Think of your day as a blank canvas and your tasks as different colors of paint. Without a plan, you might just splash colors everywhere, and it ends up looking like a chaotic mess. Time blocking is like drawing an outline first. You create dedicated sections for each color, ensuring every part of the canvas gets the attention it deserves, resulting in a beautiful, organized masterpiece. It's about being intentional with your time, rather than letting your day happen to you. Now you might be thinking, isn't that super rigid? What if something unexpected comes up? That's a great question, and we'll get to that. But first, let's talk about why this method is so effective. The main reason is that it combats what's known as decision fatigue. Every day we make thousands of small decisions, and it's exhausting. By planning your day in advance, you eliminate the constant question of, what should I be working on right now? The decision is already made. You just look at your calendar and execute. Another huge benefit is that it helps you focus. When you know you only have a 60-minute block to write that report, you're less likely to get distracted by your phone or that new cat video. This dedicated time creates a sense of urgency and helps you get into a state of deep work where you're fully immersed and highly productive. Plus, by scheduling breaks, you ensure you're actually resting and recharging, which prevents burnout in the long run. So, are you ready to give it a try? Let's walk through how to create your first time-blocked schedule, step by step. Step 1 is the brain dump. Before you can organize your tasks, you need to know what they are. So, take a piece of paper or open a new document and write down absolutely everything you need to do. Don't filter, don't organize, just get it all out of your head. This includes work tasks, personal errands, appointments, household chores, and even things you want to do for fun. Your list might look something like finish project proposal, call the dentist, go grocery shopping, pay bills, read for 30 minutes, go to the gym. Get it all down. Step 2 is to prioritize and estimate. Look at your giant list and ask yourself, what's most important? What has a deadline? You can use a simple system like marking your top 3 most critical tasks for the day. These are your must-dos. Next, estimate how long each task will take. Be realistic here, and it's often a good idea to add a little buffer time. If you think a task will take 45 minutes, maybe schedule an hour for it. Over time, you'll get much better at estimating accurately. Now for the fun part. Step 3, building your blocks. Open up your calendar. It can be a digital one like Google Calendar or a physical planner. First, block out your non-negotiables. This includes your sleep, meals, commute, and any fixed appointments. These are the foundational pillars of your day. Next, schedule your most important tasks. Remember those top 3 priorities you identified. Block out time for them during your most productive hours. Are you a morning person who's sharpest before lunch? That's the perfect time to tackle your most challenging deep work task. If you're a night owl, save your creative work for the evening. By matching your energy levels to your tasks, you're setting yourself up for success. After your priority tasks are scheduled, you can start filling in the gaps with the smaller, less demanding tasks. This is where you can slot in things like answering emails, running errands, or making phone calls. A great strategy here is batching. Instead of checking your email every 10 minutes, schedule 2 or 3 specific 30-minute blocks throughout the day just for email. This prevents it from constantly interrupting your focus and hijacking your day. And please, don't forget to schedule your breaks. This is so important. Block out time for lunch, short walks, or just a few minutes to stretch and step away from your screen. You should also schedule a block of time at the end of your workday to plan for the next day. This 15-minute shutdown ritual can make a huge difference. Review what you accomplished, move any unfinished tasks to tomorrow's plan, and then close your computer and be done for the day. This creates a clear boundary between work and personal life. So, what does a sample day look like? It might be something like this: 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., morning routine, exercise and breakfast. 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., commute and listen to a podcast. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., deep work on Project X. 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., handle urgent emails. 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., team meeting. 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m., lunch break and a walk outside. You get the idea. Your entire day is mapped out, giving you a clear roadmap to follow. Now, let's address that concern from earlier. What happens when life throws you a curveball? An unexpected meeting pops up or a task takes way longer than you thought. The key is to see your time-blocked schedule not as a rigid prison, but as a flexible guide. If something urgent comes up, it's okay to adjust. Your schedule gives you the clarity to make an informed decision. You can look at your day and consciously decide, okay, this new task is more important than my planned email block, so I will swap them. The power comes from making an intentional trade-off, rather than just reacting without a plan. I also recommend building in buffer blocks. These are empty slots in your schedule, maybe 30 minutes in the morning and 30 in the afternoon, specifically for handling the unexpected. If nothing comes up, you can use that time to get ahead, take a longer break, or tackle a low-priority task. These buffers provide the flexibility you need to stick with the system long-term without feeling stressed. To really make time blocking stick, here are a few pro tips. First, use color coding in your digital calendar. For example, blue for deep work, green for meetings, yellow for personal errands, and red for breaks. This gives you a quick visual overview of how you're spending your time. Are you dedicating enough time to your priorities? Is your day balanced? Second, be disciplined, but not a perfectionist. Especially when you're starting out, you won't follow your schedule perfectly, and that's okay. The goal isn't 100% adherence. It's about being more intentional. Each day you practice, you'll get better. Third, review and reflect. At the end of each week, take 15 to 20 minutes to look back at your calendars. What worked well? Where did you go off track? Did you consistently underestimate how long certain tasks would take? This weekly review is crucial for refining your process and making your time blocking even more effective over time. Time blocking isn't just about getting more done. It's about making sure you're spending your time on what truly matters to you. By being the architect of your day, you can carve out space not just for work, but for your health, your hobbies, and your relationships. It empowers you to live a more balanced and fulfilling life. So, my challenge to you is this: try time blocking for just 1 week. Don't try to be perfect. Just map out your days, do your best to follow the plan, and see how you feel. I have a feeling you'll be amazed at the clarity and sense of control it brings to your life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helps you reclaim your time and crush your goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on productivity and personal growth. Let me know in the comments if you're really going to try time blocking or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.